see how close they let me get today. Hi, little duckies. Mitch,
What?
you got any food in there?
Do I have it? Yeah.
Give it to me quick. A piece, something I can give them.
Here.
Just give me, pull it out because they're going to run from me by the time they're
Here.
already on their way. No, wait. Oh, wait, take it out. Open it up. Open it up for me. Give me something. Here, duckies. Look how close I got them coming to me. Here we go. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you, ducky doos. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you, ducky doo. That's the man. I could tell. Look how he creeping up. I'm not going to hurt you. Look, I'll step back. Look, he done took his food and left. You want to eat it so bad. It's okay. Go ahead and eat it, ducky doo. I'm not going to hurt you, baby. I'm not going to hurt you. I promise. Babe, give me another piece. There you go. There you go. That's how close he is to me. Look. I'm not going to hurt you, ducky doos. I'm not going to hurt you, babies. You're so cute. Yes, you is. I just want to pet doggy. Damn.
What?
That's a bitch. Brown bag, your food ain't shit. And they left.